Born and raised in West Orange, Brendan Byrne has enjoyed a remarkably successful life. Elected president of his high school senior class, Brendan entered the Army Air Corps in World War II, where he received the Distinguished Flying Cross and 4 air medals. After the war, he graduated from Princeton, earned a law degree from Harvard, and returned to New Jersey to begin a career in public service. Entering politics under Governor Minor, he moved from one success to another, eventually serving on the Superior Court in the early 1970s. Wanting to do more for the people, Judge Byrne was elected the 47th governor in 1974. He accomplished much in his 2 terms, including passing the Pinelands Protection Act, enacting the first state income tax, creating the Department of Energy, setting spending limits on government, and efforts on casino development in Atlantic City. After leaving office, he returned to private practice and continues to be in demand as a writer, speaker, and advisor. His induction to the New Jersey Hall of Fame will no doubt inspire many young people to pursue a life of service. He is a great and loyal New Jerseyan.